Question 1. In the backdrop of India's regional cooperation goals, the Reserve Bank of India extended a $1 billion currency swap facility to a key South Asian partner. Which country received this support under the SAARC framework? Options: A. Bhutan, B. Maldives, C. Nepal, D. Sri Lanka. Correct answer, D. Sri Lanka. Question 2. India's position in global climate initiatives continues to grow. Recently, the Global Biofuel Alliance welcomed a new member nation from Africa. Which country officially joined the alliance, strengthening India's energy diplomacy? Options: A. Egypt, B. Nigeria, C. Kenya, D. Tanzania. Correct answer, B. Nigeria. Question 3. In the field of sports, an Indian athlete made headlines by clinching gold in the World Para Athletics Championships 2025. Who achieved this milestone in the men's javelin throw F46 category? Options: A. Ajit Singh, B. Sandeep Chaudhary, C. Sumit Entil, D. Devendra Jhajaria. Correct answer, A. Ajit Singh. Question 4. The Reserve Bank of India launched a centralized platform to simplify access to government securities for retail investors. What is the name of this platform? Options: A. RBI Invest, B. Bharat Bond Portal, C. Retail Direct, D. G-Sec Window. Correct answer, C. Retail Direct. Question 5. India's defense capabilities saw a major boost as HAL signed an export contract with the Philippines. What equipment is being exported under this agreement? Options: A. Dhruv helicopters, B. Tejas fighter jets, C. BrahMos missiles, D. Advanced light helicopters. Correct answer, D. Advanced light helicopters. Question 6. Recognizing corporate excellence, an Indian firm was ranked among the world's most sustainable companies by Time magazine. Which company received this honor? Options: A. Infosys, B. Reliance Industries, C. Tata Consultancy Services, D. Wipro. Correct answer, A. Infosys. Question 7. In a recent environmental collaboration, India signed an MoU with the UAE to promote clean energy. Which Indian ministry signed this agreement? Options: A. Ministry of Environment, B. Ministry of Power, C. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, D. Ministry of External Affairs. Correct answer, C. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Question 8. A major Indian airport became the first to operate fully on green energy. Which airport achieved this sustainability milestone in 2025? Options: A. Indira Gandhi International Airport, B. Kempegowda International Airport, C. Kochi International Airport, D. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Correct answer, B. Kempegowda International Airport. Question 9. To support India's space missions, a new data relay satellite will be launched for constant communication with low Earth orbit satellites. What is the name of this satellite? Options: A. GSAT-30, B. IDRSS, C. INSAT-3D, D. RISAT-2BR1. Correct answer, B. IDRSS. Question 10. Reflecting India's growing global influence, the country hosted a key G20 working group meeting in July 2025. What was the focus of this meeting? Options: A. Financial inclusion, B. Anti-corruption, C. Sustainable development, D. Digital transformation. Correct answer, B. Anti-corruption.